Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Roblox export channel name error. To fix the Roblox exported channel name error, delete and reinstall the Roblox, verify your internet connection and clear your browse cache and update the Roblox to latest version and error occurred and Roblox error can be resolved with a simple delete and reinstall of the Roblox app. Here how to do it. Delete Roblox, go to your devices app list and find Roblox and uninstall it and check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and strong. If the internet connection is acting, try resetting your router or contact your service provider for help and clear your browse cache. And if you play Roblox on a web browser, sometimes the stored cache can cause issues. And here how to clear it. Open the browse settings, look for an option like browsing data or clear cache and cookie. Select it and clear the cache and update the Roblox to latest version. Outdated apps can cause all sorts of problems. Make sure your Roblox app is to up to date with the latest version. If it's not updated, this can fix many errors and improving your gaming experience. And turn off the browser extensions. Some browser extensions can mess with Roblox. Try turning them off and see if that fixes the problem. If the Roblox works fine without them, and you might be need to manage the extensions better and disable the VPN or proxy servers. Using a VPN or proxy server, they can sometimes clash with Roblox. Turn them off and try playing the game again, and if it works, you found your culprit and check your firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes your computer security settings can block the Roblox. Make sure Roblox is allowed through your firewall and it's not blocked by your antivirus software. If it is, and add Roblox to your trusted applications. And thank you for watching us.